Hi, I'm Joseph Jackson with Pearson Mazda, and I'm here today to show you how to set up your CarPlay, which is good for Android and iPhone, in the Mazda CX-9, CX-5, MX-5, and the Mazda 6. First, what you have to do is plug into the USB port that is marked with a picture of a phone. You go into the infotainment center, over to applications, hit enter, take the cord that goes into your phone, plug into your phone. You give it a moment, it's going to pull up for Android or iPod. The app comes up, and what you do is you tap on that, and it actually walks you through it. You want to be in your applications, and you go down to whether you have Apple CarPlay or whether you have Android Auto, and you hit enter, and now all of a sudden your phone has become your system.